Dear all, welcome to DHS Informatics. In this session, I am going to cover you latest IEEE project on blockchain. The title of the project is Blockchain for Giving Patients Control Over Their Medical Records. It is a very latest topic. It is an IEEE 2020 topic, November month release. Actually, what is the difference between blockchain and cloud? We can able to encrypt and store the data into cloud storage. That is only safe. But nowadays, hackers are there. They are very brilliant. They are decrypting the data in the cloud and change the content, again encrypt and store it back, so that we only doesn't know whether the content is changed or not. That is a big headache with the crypto data in cloud computing. So that in blockchain we can able to understand whether our data is tampered or not, and we can able to identify which is the original. That also possible in blockchain. So that only blockchain is nowadays it is having a more importance. We are going to see how this blockchain going to be useful in patient control medical records. That is, we can simply call EHR. EHR means electronic health record, or PHR, patient health record. All are comes under same topic only. Before entering into the main subject, you are not subscribed our channel. I am requesting you to subscribe our channel by pressing the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon, so that you will get the next updates quickly. And one more request, share this video in your WhatsApp to other groups. Thank you. This project comes under the domain blockchain. I already told you what is difference between cloud computing and blockchain. Here the blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp and a transaction data. For example, we are uploading one file which is called a transaction data. That file will be encrypted. Before encryption, we will create that hash code. That hash code will be stored in the header part of the block. In the header part, we are having the hash code. We call it as a root hash, timestamp, and one more thing, nonce we will store. Nonce is one random number. And apart from this thing, we are getting the previous block root hash, and we are storing in the current block. That is called previous block hash code. So that this will help us to identify whether the block is tampered or not. So that it is called blockchain. The content of the one block will be stored in the another block in the form of hash code. That is called fingerprint of the block. So that the hackers are corrupting in one block also. With the help of the fingerprint in other block, we can able to verify and check whether this block is corrupted or not. That is a big advantage in the blockchain. The technology used in these projects are blockchain, hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means we are using the private servers and the public server. The technology used to build this project is J2EE, that is a Java 2 Enterprise Edition, where we are using servlet, JSP, coding language is a Java, and backend is MySQL, and we are using Tomcat web server. Definitely we have to use the cryptography technique. Any cryptography technique we can able to use, mostly symmetric cryptography, AES algorithm, DES algorithm, or RC4 algorithm, anything. Hashing technique we are using SHA-256 which is the latest hashing technique that is used, and user-defined blockchain. User-defined blockchain in the sense we are not using Ethereum and Hyperledger. We are only creating our own blockchain. Why we are doing like that means, since it is an academic project, most of the colleges, the lecturers are asking where the blocks are stored, what encryption technique you are using, what hashing technique you are using. Like that they will ask them to show the coding. We are going with an Ethereum and Hyperledger. It is not possible to show that part. So that only we are using user-defined blockchain. It is more beneficial to the students. And introduction. Introduction, I told you, it is an electronic health record. Nowadays, privacy is very important. Suppose I am asking one patient, where is your record 5 years before you did a CT scan? No, give me that record. Means he is not having, because it is in a paper, he misplaced here and there. But those are stored in a cloud storage or in a centralized server, he can able to fetch it whenever he need it. No, so that the concept of storing the health record in digital form, it is called electronic health record, come into the picture. Okay, so that in this type we are having a two types of encryption also allowed, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric in the sense the patient only storing the record, he only taking the record back, means he can use the symmetric encryption, that is a encryption decryption with the same key, whereas the patient is storing the record in a cloud storage and he is giving the access to the other people, means he will encrypt with one key and he give the decryption key to the others, is doctor, insurance agent, like that. That is called asymmetric encryption. Then next one concept is coming, it is called access control based cryptograph system. What is in the access control based? A patient can able to control which record can able to taken by which person. This doctor can able to take these 4 files. This insurance agent can able to take these 7 files. Like that, he can able to control the thing. It is called the access control based file system. That only we are going to show. We are going to see in this project. The existing system are they are having the encryption decryption asymmetric things only, and they are storing in a cloud only. There is no concept of blockchain they are used, there is no access control. That is the existing system, so that it is having a less security. Patient access permission to EHS are limited and the patient not able to control. Most of the projects doctors only controlling for the patient. No projects as of now exist, patients are controlling the records, like that. So that only it is a new idea they come up with the proposed system. They are calling it as an implantary file system. Implantary file system means, implantary means one kind of world. In that world, the patient can able to store their file in a blockchain format and they can able to give the access control to whoever they want. That thing can be showed clearly in the next in this diagram. You can see I will tell that there are 15 steps are there. I am going to say one by one. First 12 I am going to say here. The regulatory agency, that is admin. Admin can able to register the doctor and he will register the patient, and he can able to give the registration details to the patient. Okay, the hospital is sending the records to the patient. The patient patient 4 is sending the records to the patient. 5, patient can able to upload the record into blockchain, that is called IPFS, implantary file system. They will store the things. Once the files are stored into the blockchain, doctor 6 request for the record. Doctor may request the patient, I need your record, like that. Then what will happen? The patient will give the accept request. That is the thing. Okay, I am allowing you to access this record, like that. So that doctor what he can able to do after the thing 8 send the re-encryption key. The patient has to give his key to decrypt the data to give the doctor to the server. The server will send a request to the IPFS and get the data. 10th it will get the encrypted data and decrypt, and it will send it to the doctor. Doctor can able to decrypt again to read the data clearly. This is the process going to happen in this system. It is clearly we have done these things in our project. And the advantage of the proposed system, providing the accurate security, and we are enabling the quick access of the patient record. We are giving the security as well as it is a quick, more secure and user friendly, and electronic information, all the things are stored in an electronic way, so that it is a safer and more reliable. If you like this video, I am requesting you to press the like button and share this video in your WhatsApp group to other friends who need this project. And you have any query for this project, type it in a comment with your email ID. I can able to send the details to you. You are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. Feel free to call us on 9886692401 or 98451 66723. Thank you for listening this video.